Well, it was a surprise to me. Though after I sought more information about the 7 laws of attraction, I found that they really are just individual elements broken down into subsets of the main law. They are familiar concepts that teach that we attract things into our lives based on our beliefs, thoughts, words, and actions. But the sad part is that many people who have been trying hard to attract things into their lives with Loa for years are now disappointed and frustrated and have stopped believing it's ever going to work for them. So, if you're questioning whether the law of attraction is real, it truly is. The fact is, there is important information that you need to know about how to raise your body's energetic frequency so that by law, it will operate from a higher resonance to automatically attract and amplify your experience of reality. 1. The law of manifestation. Consciousness is always a choice. It's the choice to bring your awareness to the present moment, the decision to see and prioritize that which is truly important, that which is genuinely honoring and the value enhancing in your life. Being consciously aware of the decisions you are making and living in the present are the keys to mastering this law. The mind is the most powerful tool you can use when it comes to manifesting your desired reality, so everything you think about is going to reveal itself at some point in your life. And don't forget the Loa works both ways, so it's possible to attract negative outcomes if negativity is the core of your focus. So understand that you have the power to manifest your dreams and desires if you are consciously feeding your mind with positive thoughts. 2. The law of magnetism. We can only attract the same kind of energy frequency that we put out ourselves. When you understand that everything you have experienced up until this point in your life is a result of the energy frequency you release out into the world, you will see that we, as humans, are the actual magnets of our own lives. Just like the universe, we are also made up of vibrational energy. So the law of magnetism reveals that it's the energy frequencies we put out that come right back to us, like a magnet. And because the law of attraction is always working, the magnetic exchange that is happening all around us never loses its vibration in the universe, it's always staying in action whether we are aware of it or not. This is why it's important to make sure the energy you are releasing in the world is the type of energy you are okay receiving back to you. Each of us is a part of a vast exchange and expansion of this force that takes place in the universe every moment of every day. 3. The law of pure desire, or unwavering desire. When you are feeling like the Loa just isn't working for you, it may be time to revisit exactly what it is that you desire. Oftentimes, we get confused about how our manifesting powers work, meaning, it takes way more than just one positive thought to reveal the life of your dreams. For those who have had success in manifesting their wildest desires, understand that there was never a magic lamp or genie granting wishes, the power came from a strong desire. The law of unwavering desire means that you are guided by pure intention, so, without a doubt, you have to actually want it. When you're driven by pure intention, free of fear, doubt and desperation, you can be certain of a beneficial outcome. For your wishes to be pure, you must genuinely believe that you are worthy of what you want. For example, on the surface, you may think you want $1 billion or a huge mansion. But deep down, your desires might actually look different, like having more than enough money to start a business or the freedom to travel the world. Making certain you know exactly what you want is the first essential step to bring anything into your reality. So the desire you feel for what you want in life must be so strong for the law of attraction to work the way it's supposed to. 4. The law of paradoxical intent, or delicate balance. Balance happens to be one of the key themes in the law of attraction. When we find balance in ourselves, we are essentially releasing the high-frequency vibrational energy needed for the law of attraction to work. That means showing appreciation and gratitude for what you already have. To live an abundant life, you must shift your mindset to already living one. So to become balanced and at peace with what you currently have helps keep feelings of desperation and obsession at bay. You see, feelings of desperation creates the paradox that also have the vibrational power to push away the things, or people, you need to reveal the outcomes in life you desire. It's one thing to want something, but when you become so desperate to have it, you are actually pushing away what you need to get it. Think about the appreciation that you'll have at the fruition of your goals and choose to feel the gratitude for what you have in your life right now. You can get what you want by knowing that you don't need it to be happy. 5. The law of harmony, or synchronization. Everything in the universe is connected. That means you too are connected to the universe via many different energy sources. The law of harmony was put in place to allow for us to reveal and use the deep-rooted power we have to align ourselves with the energy flowing through the universe. And when you tap into the universal flow, you are granting yourself special access to what the world has to offer. That means more abundance, more creation power, and, most importantly, more of what you really desire. This is something that comes from within, so don't forget that harmoniously aligning yourself with the universe opens up your highest manifesting power. 6. The law of right action, or conscientious action. Did you know that the how treat others has the power to either attract or reject the prosperous life you are seeking? Well, the law of right action reveals why actions really do speak louder than words. Simply being a good human, like choosing to do the right thing or lending a helping hand, will always bring more positivity into your life. Remember, just like a magnet, the honor and integrity you put out into the world will continually reveal itself back to you in the same way. Life can be hard sometimes, so it may seem easier to react out of emotion or stress, causing damage and destruction in your surrounding environment. So as you navigate life, make sure to consciously be aware of whether or not what you are doing is honoring yourself and others. Remember, we are all made up of vibrational energy, the universe included, so keeping your energy frequency tuned to that of dignity and honor will always work in your favor, even if you can't see it right away. 7. The law of expanding influence, or universal influence. Energy expands in the world and has influence in your personal arena and in the world at large. You can and do have an impact on everything, from the productivity of your company and the harmony of your family, all the way to the peace of the world. The power of your own personal vibration becomes global by virtue of the law. The law of universal influence means just that, we have an influence on everyone around us. That means your family, your friends, and even perfect strangers are impacted by the energy you release. Remember, everyone and everything is connected, so energy has the power to expand into every crevice of the world. Energy is powerful, so everything from the way you handle business to your influence in a relationship impacts you and the world around you. By consciously choosing positivity in your everyday life, you are creating more positive energy throughout the universe. So be mindful and be careful, because every thought, action, and reaction influences all things and all beings around us. Every thought and every deed plants a new seed in the garden of our destiny. Being aware of all 7 laws of attraction is a good foundation for making conscious choices, but you can't ignore the fact that the energetic vibrations of your unconscious and subconscious beliefs are really where you need to focus if you want to have lasting change.